Sa mundong puno ng diskrimina, bakit kailangan pang humusga? Mga galaw na laging may anino, boses mong nakakandado. Kailan nga ba makakamit ang salitang pribilehiyo? Brace yourselves for a cinematic experience that delves deep into the unveiling the harsh realities and the unyielding spirit of those who refuse to be silenced. Hi, my name is Jake Cyrus, and this is the story behind that name.
Wala ba si ma'am? Teka lang, may new student. Sino? Parang reading mo. Sino siya? Ang ingit! Asan na si ma'am? Ang tagal. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, ma'am. I just hear that you have a new student. So, can you please introduce yourself? Okay, Miss. Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, Mama Maria. I'm Jake Cyrus, by the way. I'm from Doña Rosario School, and I'm transferred here for some reason. Hindi ko yung mga city governors. Hindi nagbago. Si Jake. Paano pasok? Maya siguro kasi mauna na. May sabi-sabing lalaki lang siya. Lalaki naman talaga? Jake na eh. Ano ka ba kasi yung book mo? Ano ka? Siguro class? Baka? Ano ba yan? Guys, hindi ba kayo curious? Ano naman yan? Tungkol sa Magsino ka na naman? Hindi ka na talaga nauubusan. Sino ba kasi yan? Si ano? Si ano? Ano? Magkano kaya papagawa niya sa ano niya? Sa, alam niyo na, sa ano? Ewan, hindi ko na alam magandang nakuha, ano? Kaya, di ba nabanggit sa akin ng teacher natin sa reviews? Hindi dapat na dapat hindi ka chance. Dapat hindi ko punta sa langit. Ano ba yun? Ano ba kasi naisip na ito? Ano ba problema niyo? Hinaano ka ba? Totoo naman trabaho! Guilty ka ba? Hindi ka ba ng tao? Kapag namatay ka, you go to hell. Kasi sinusuway mo ang utos ng Diyos. Because it clearly states in the Bible that homosexual is forbidden by God. Each person is a part of God's wondrous creation, no matter what or who they are. It's either lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender. And you can't tell me that I'm going to hell for being a transgender. I feel bad for your parents. If I were your child, tinakwil na kita. At least ako, alam ko sa sarili ko na wala akong tinatapakang tao. Alam ko mabuti akong tao. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan, religious, pero feeling nila superior na sila. And for your information, don't judge me for who I am. You're not God. Pinalinig ka ba ako? Ano ba? Everyone, si Jake po kasi! Siya po kasi nga! Dali naman tumuro sa akin! Everyone, go together! Bakit siya po kasi?
Discriminating against LGBTQ individuals isn't right. It will hit hard when you will see how much pain and suffering it may cause, not just to those targeted, but to our whole society. Treating people differently because of their gender identity or sexual orientation goes against the core of who we are, our right to love and to express ourselves freely. The biggest realization is the harm discrimination does to our own souls. It eats away at our humanity, filling us with hate and ignorance. When we project our fears onto others instead of showing empathy and compassion, it not only hurts those we discriminate against, but also holds us back from growing as individuals. Recognizing that discriminating based on gender is wrong opens the door to personal growth and change. It's like lifting a veil from our eyes and seeing the world in all its colors and complexities. This realization pushes us to develop empathy and understanding, making us better people in the process. Understanding that we shouldn't discriminate based on gender isn't just a lesson. It's a call to be better and create a world where everyone can be themselves. It's like going on a journey of self-discovery, where each steps bring us closer to becoming best versions of ourselves. And in that journey, we're not just changing ourselves, we're changing the world. Embracing this change means standing up against injustice and fighting for equality. It's about educating ourselves and others about the harmful effects of discriminations and creating inclusive environments where everyone feels valued and respected. Realizing the importance of not discriminating based on gender is transformative. It pushes us to grow, to be more empathetic, and to act with kindness and fairness. It's a commitment to building a world where everyone can thrive, free from fear and prejudice. By making this commitment, we're contributing to a global movement towards equality and justice. We're helping to create a society where love and respect are the norms, and where everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential.
Narinig mo ba yung sinabi ni Joy? Inaaway na naman daw ng main girls ni yung student na si Jay. Di ba sila nakaaway?
Alam mo ka ako yun? Magsusumo ako sa Albi. Ano ka pa ba? You deserve what he got. I mean, why not just let him do what he wants? After all, this is a free country. Isn't it?
Okay ka lang ba?
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
May problema ka ba? Willing ka kayo. Kung ano ba yung biglang mo, yun ako makinig. Ano ba yan?
Basta ako talaga hindi yung nararamdaman ko kami yung nararamdaman natin.
Kailan na? Wala ba sa mga nararamdaman mo?
Bakit ganun? Wala naman akong ginagawa masama sa kanila. Ano ba ako naman? Ako ba yung problema? Saan ba ako sa Saan ba ako sa
Sabi ng ganyan. Hindi ka salo. Ako ba? May mga tao na hindi na patanggap.
Uy! Ba't ka tulala?
Ewan. May isa na.
Hi!
Ay, ano ba ito guys? Nandito ba si Jade kanina?
Saan?
sorry. Total, wala namang ginawa sa atin yung tao. Hindi ako siya. Bakit naman tayo mahihiya? I-confront na lang natin si
Baby, can you sing? Ay, salita kayo.
Jay. Kung kukuloyin niyo lang ako, please lang, tatangan niyo na ako. Sawa na ako sa mga boses niyo. Hindi, Jay. Hindi naman yung tao. Jay, sana bukas pa ang iyong puso para magpatawad. Humingi ako ng tawad sa mga lahat na nagawa ko sa iyo. Namin at nagawa namin. Sorry din sa nagawa ko sa iyo sa kanan. Kami rin, Jay. Hindi kami ng sorry sa iyo. Sorry sa lahat tayo. Sorry rin, Jay. Sana mapatawad mo na kami. Okay lang yan. Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Ang importante ngayon, nagkakamali na tayo. Thank you.
Sa mundong puno ng panghuhusga, mas piliin nating patawarin ang isa't isa. Ang pagbibigay ng kapatawaran ay hindi tanda ng kahinaan, kundi isang pagpapakita ng lakas at pagkakaunawaan. Choosing to forgive and to let go is a way to find peace and let your heart at ease. It means releasing the burden of pain, allowing yourself to feel joy again. By letting go, you set yourself free, opening your life to all it can be. Ang pagpapatawad ay isang hakbang at lakas patungo sa mas maliwanag at mapayapang bukas.